What is up, guys? Today we have an unboxing of the OnePlus Pad Go here, which is actually budget tablet from OnePlus, and the box looks really nice. And actually inside we have this tablet that is 11.35 inches or 28.85 centimeters. The resolution is 170px, 1720px, 90 Hz screen. Also, the touch sampling rate is 180 Hz. The maximum brightness is 400 nit here. And what's from advantages? The 8 GB of LDDR4X RAM, storage 128 GB, UFC 2.2, microSD supported, and LTE model installed here. 33 watt fast charging, 8000 mAh battery. So let's try it out. Let's open it and see what we have. So actually, what's the box? That's how it looks like. It was released, actually produced in April 2025, so it's quite fresh. 8 GB, 128 GB of RAM, and the color is twin mint. No charger included in the box, unfortunately, but the box is really tiny. So let's take the knife and open it up. Actually, I have a knife here, so let's carefully open it up. I like this sound of opening, and let's try it out here. Wow, really enjoy it all the time. Each time when I unbox some tablet or phone, I really enjoy it. So let's put it aside. And yeah, it's really tiny, the box. And finally open it up. You have the tablet here, so I think the cable, do we have it? Yes, we have the cable. Let's see what we have. I like the package of OnePlus, but there is still plastic, but anyway, it looks good. So this is just cover from paper. Red Cable Club. Now I've got this card, so it's membership card. Scan the code below to claim your welcome benefits. A very tiny card. Opener for SIM slot. Looks nice, actually. I really like how it looks like. And let's put it back, but looks nice, you see. Quick guide. I don't think we need it in 2025, and it's actually safety guide as well. Maybe it's required by law, but you have this too useless paper. And the cable, regular cable from OnePlus, USB-A to Type-C, red cable. So let's put all the things aside. So actually the tablet here is in my hand, and I feel it looks quite nice for this price. So let's put everything aside, and here is the tablet. Very light, around 500 grams. So the moment, okay, we can just actually, can we open it on the side? Just swipe it up. Okay, it's more complicated, so let's open it here. Alright, opened. Wow, looks really nice. I enjoy to handle it in my hand. I guess it's metal, right? So even the budget tablet from OnePlus is made from aluminum, I guess. Dongguan City, OnePlus Pad Go. Model is OPD2304, so some serial number. Here is a plastic for connectivity to work as, let's say, for LTE, for Wi-Fi. Here is a big camera. I don't think it's that good as they advertise. Wow, it looks really for me like iPhone 7. It's really like iPhone 7. Look here. These antennas on the side and the control button, and also the thickness is similar to iPhone 7. You have two speakers on the top, then you also have the SIM slot here, and I guess also inside here is the additional slot. Let's see whether we have something on the screen. No screen protector here. Really strange. Usually they provide some screen protector, not on this tablet. No screen protector here. Also, let's open the SIM slot. Finally, we need this LED here. Check it out. Okay, you have microphone on the side, also on top, and volume control button. On the top you have this power button and 2 speakers, so it's actually 4 speakers here, so it's quite nice to have. So yeah, there is a slot that we are waiting for. It's like a phone slot. You have the micro SD card and you have the SIM card that can be installed. Okay, on the left side is nothing, on the bottom is Type-C, second microphone, Dolby Atmos indicator, and 2 stereo speakers. So the screen looks like this, the front camera is located here, so you need to hold the tablet like this. So let's turn it on, and actually in a full review you will see much more. This is just brief unboxing. Yeah, it's powering on, so seems that it's charged. Actually quite nice. You see the frames here on the side. As for me, they are not really huge comparing to like what you can get for this price. Just to remind, the price of this tablet around $250. It is really cheap for actually quite good tablet, I can say, and it's really comfortable to hold it in your hands. The screen quality is also nice. So I will not do the first setup now. I will just bring it to full review, but as for now, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy the unboxing. In case you still have some questions, just put in the comments below. Put a thumbs up and see you next time.